Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video we will create a part model of displayed geometry. Here the geometry have 80 mm of height and 55 mm of width, and there is one cylinder of 30 mm. So to create a part model of this, first we will create a new file in NX and create a sketch in XY plane. First we create one rectangle and go to geometric constraint. Here we select coincident and select this middle point and select the origin. Now close this and go to rapid dimension. Give this dimension as 55 and this dimension as 12 mm. Now close this and finish the sketch. Here the total height is 80, so we'll extrude it of 80 mm. So go to extrude. Here select region boundary curves and we select this region. In start we select symmetric value, enter here 40 mm and click on OK. Now we will create this portion. So for that we will create one sketch on this plane. First we create one line from this point of 55 mm and close this. We draw one circle of 40 mm diameter. Now select the line command and select this point and create one line tangent to this circle. Let's create same line on this side. Go to trim command, trim this circle and right click on this line, select convert to reference. Go to profile command, here complete the profile and finish the sketch. Here the thickness is 12 mm. So go to extrude command, select this region, here reverse the direction, enter the distance 12 mm and in boolean select unite and click on apply. Now we will create the same portion on the other side. So for that we will use the mirror feature. Here we select this extrude and we select mirror plane and click on apply. Now we will create this cylinder of 55 mm diameter and 30 mm of height. So for that we will use the cylinder command. Here first we have to specify the vector. So we will select y-axis and reverse the direction. And in specify point select origin. In boolean select unite and enter here diameter 55 and height will be 30. Click on OK. So the cylinder will generated. Now we will create a hole of 30 mm diameter. So for that go to hole command. First select the center. Enter here 30. In depth limit select until next and here select subtract. Click on apply. So the hole will generated. Now we will create this hole. Now we will create this hole for thread. So go to hole command. Select the point. Enter here 18 mm. In depth limit select through body and click on apply. Now cancel this. Now we'll create the threads on this face. So we'll use thread command. Select the face and click on apply. Now select this face and click on apply. So the thread will generate it like this. Now we will create one key slot. So go to sketch. Select this plane. Click on OK. Create one rectangle. Now go to geometric constraint. Here select horizontal alignment. Select the midpoint and the origin and close this. Go to rapid dimension. Give dimension to this line as 10 and this line as also 10. Give this dimension from this line to this end point will be 33 and close this. Now we have to extrude this. So finish the sketch. Here go to extrude select this region, reverse the direction. In end value select until next, and in boolean select subtract. Click on OK. So our model is completed. Now we will hide the sketches and planes and change the object color. Select the object, go to color, here we select this color, click on OK. So the object is look like this. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.